Hi there, this is Penny Manus Diefendorf with your Daily Grain. Let's look at life through the lens of nature versus nurture. It's this ongoing argument. What makes you? Is it your inherent nature? Is it your upbringing? And don't forget about free will thrown in there somewhere. Because the reality is, children from the same parents turn out very differently. Children from the same neighborhood turn out very differently. So what is it that makes that intangible difference, that makes the difference between life being a resounding success or mediocre, or heaven forbid, an absolute disaster? And the bottom line is consciousness. I don't believe, and I could be proved wrong, but I don't believe that the people who fail or who struggle in life are making a conscious decision to do so. I don't believe that for a minute. But the people who do succeed, who change their circumstances and their lives beyond what even other people predicted they could do, have done so because of conscious decisions they have made. I'm not saying that these people are at the highest levels of consciousness. They could be. But without question, their success and their ability to maximize their starting point in life and to maximize the things that they have within them has been a result of conscious decisions. They decided they were not going to be like their family, or they were not going to let their neighborhood dictate their destiny, or simply they wanted to make something of themselves. They wanted to benefit financially or career-wise, or make a name for themselves. And these are conscious decisions. They are made with determination and with the full force of that person's personality behind it. And so there we see it. We see their light, we see their success, and beneath all that is that consciously moving forward part of them that has helped them to get there. And so the conclusion is, it's not nature, it's not nurture, it is your free will exercised in a manner that will benefit you the most.